Hello guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to tell you why are you spending so much budget on your video ads and why the sponsored video ads are consuming so much in terms of your cost per click, why the ACOS are so high, but your conversion, your sales, your orders are so less. What mistakes are you doing? And I'm going to tell you exact 3 steps that we have done in our advertising agency to increase our clients' revenue through Amazon sponsored video ads and reduce their ACOS drastically by 90%. Trust me, when I say 90%, it is 90%. When I tell you the strategies, then you will say, yes, that is what we need to do. So let me just quickly tell you a quick brief about Amazon sponsored video ads. So Amazon sponsored video ads, we have got access to it way earlier when it was in beta. We have got access for Amazon sponsored video ads when it was in beta, and after that we have tested some strategies. Now during that time, obviously the product targeting feature was not available inside sponsored video ads, only keyword targeting was available, and we were getting clicks close to 1 rupees, 1.5 rupees. Now if you see, if you're targeting your sponsored video ads in the top of the funnel, then you will see the clicks are close to 30, 40, 50, 60 rupees, close to what headline search ad gives you. So why that shift happened from 1 rupees, 1.5 rupees to 20, 30 rupees cost per click? Now there is a lot of things into it because the keywords you are targeting and the way, the strategies you are using. So now the first strategy I am going to give you to reduce your ACOS and also to get more conversion and increase the click-through rate. So the first strategy is you can't run your any brand ads. By brand ads, I mean headline search ads, all those spotlight ads, then your brand video ads, display ads on top of the funnel campaign where you're targeting cold audience, cold keywords. What that means? So how you can reduce your ad spend and ACOS is first target those keywords which are warm and converted. That means analyze your search term report, find out those converted search terms that have already given you 3+ sales, take them out. Also take those ASINs that have converted for you, take those out. By converted, I mean given at least 3+ sales. Run them in keyword targeting and product targeting. That is the first step that will reduce your ACOS, because now you are not showing your ads to irrelevant buyers. Because with sponsored video ads, the placement where the ads will show is very limited. Only it is going to show on the search result and on the product page, but the product page is very limited in India. Very few products actually show up on the video feed or the product targeting. It shows up sometimes below the Q&A section, and sometimes it shows above the review section as well. And if someone jumps from the product listing to the top where the search tab is, through that product, through that ASIN, then also it shows on the search result when you're targeting that product. But you need to first step is you need to run for the converted keywords and ASINs that you get from sponsored products search term report. That is the first step. Now the second step that will help you to reduce your ACOS and your cost per click and increase your click-through rate is find out all the keywords for which your product is ranked on the first page. Now this strategy, we call it omnipresent strategy. We have covered in my 6 days advanced PPC training. I have covered this in depth in the 3rd, 4th and 5th day video training. So in this omnipresent strategy, you have to make sure your products, all those ads show up, starting from headline search ads to sponsored product ads through organic position, because you are organically ranked on the first page, then your sponsored video ads. All this will convert because 80% of the first page you are taking that. So run your sponsored video ads for those keywords in which you are organically ranked on the first page. Now, in this, to increase the relevancy of that ad, you can take 2-3 of your competitor and check the relevancy of your keyword that you are targeting, because there will be a ton of keywords for which you are ranked on the top page, but very few of them are actually relevant and will give you sales. To check the relevancy, you can compare the keywords with other competitors of yours. You can take 3 to 4 competitors of yours and check, okay, if this keyword, for this keyword, if all the 3 are ranked in the first page, that means it is quite relevant. You can take that way. Now, we have covered in depth exactly what are the steps involved in it in our 5th day of our 6 days training. You can find the link below. Now, I'm going to go into the screen and show you exactly what are the features you get inside brand video ads. And you also have some reports that you need to analyze. Okay, now the search term impression share report are also available for brand ads. You can check that out, how much impressions are totally available and out of which how much you are getting based on your search terms or ACOS, and where you are getting most conversion but your ACOS is lower. Just you can push that, right? You can increase your bids and budget so that if you're getting good conversion and the ACOS is lower, you can simply push your budget so that you can show more, you can get more sales. Now, we have a lot of brands in our ad agency where they have a specific budget only for their brand awareness campaigns. In that, we are okay to run sponsored video ads even for cold keywords where they have no past history, but the keywords they have got through keyword harvesting or from automatic campaigns maybe, and which may not have that much conversion, maybe 1 or 2 sales, but we also target cold keywords as well, which we think may be converting based on the relevancy that we compare by comparing other top 3 or 4 or 10 ASIs based on the competition, obviously. So now I will jump into the screen and show you exactly what the screen will look like when you go inside the sponsored video ads. But before I do that, I'll tell you the third step that you need to do in order to increase your click-through rate and decrease your ACOS. So the third thing that you need to do is make sure the first 1 or 2 seconds of the video is a high action shot. What do I mean by that? That means it has to be, the video has to show some objects that is moving very fast. That means it will grab the attention very quickly. So like that you need to create those ads. Okay. So now I will jump into the screen and show you what it exactly looks inside the screen. So this is exactly how it will look like. So this is exactly how it will look like inside your brand dashboard, inside your campaign dashboard when you are going to create a brand ads. So first of all, you can name the campaign, whatever naming structure you are using, and also put it on the portfolio, the budget. You can keep the budget based on how many keywords you are putting. Then you need to choose this video. Okay, after choosing the video, you need to choose the product. So I have already chosen the product here. You have to choose the product from here. Then after choosing the product, you need to come to this position. Okay, so you need to come to this position, and here you need to upload your video. You need to upload the video, and it also shows how the preview is going to be looking like. Okay, how the preview is going to look like. So the next thing you need to do is choose the targeting. So you can choose keyword targeting, where you can put all the keywords or search terms that we have already proven for you by your search term report. You can put all those keywords here, or you can do is you can keep 5 keywords at one campaign and create another campaign. Generally, if you have 5 to 6 or 7 keywords, you can put it in one campaign. There shouldn't be that much of an issue. Okay. And then you can also choose product targeting, where you can put categories if you want to, or you can put ASIs. Category becomes a little bit broad and expensive, and also it is not proven, so you can do on the product targeting through ASI level. You are recommended to do category if you have specific budget for brand awareness. Then you can do category, broad or small category based on your budget. Then what you have to do is you have to come back for the submit for review. It will take few hours. Maybe it takes like 12 to 14 hours to get approved. Sometimes it have taken for us like 5 to 6 hours also and got approved. After that, your campaign will be ready to run. So these are the few things that you need to do in order to increase your sales and decrease your ACOS and cost per click. So I hope this video was really helpful for you. And if you want this type of more videos, then let me know in the comment section. And my 6 days PPC training is live. You can join by clicking the first button on the description, or by clicking the first link on the description. So that's it for this video, guys, and I will see you again in the next video.